One-half cup cooking oil. 1/2 kilograms chicken, minced. Cook on medium flame until color changes. One tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 1 minute. One teaspoon salt. 5 green chilies, cut in half. Cook for 2 minutes. Three tomatoes finely chopped. Mix well. One tablespoon roasted and crushed coriander. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. One-quarter cup yogurt. Cook on high flame until water dries out. One-half teaspoon allspice powder. 2 green chilies, cut in half. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Ginger, julienne